and service tax. GST was implemented on 1st July 2017. Concept of GST. GST is a value added tax levied on manufacture, sale, consumption of goods and services. Continuous chain of tax credits. Burden borne by final consumer. Eliminate cascading effect of tax. Uniform tax structure all over India. Functions of GSTN. Filing of registration, filing of returns, creation of challan for tax payment, settlement of IGST payment, MIS report to state central government. Functions of GSTN Council. Article 27(9)(a). Tax rates, exemptions, threshold limits, dispute resolutions, GST legislation, including rules and notifications. Location of supplier and place of supplier is an important concept. In same state means intrastate, in different state means interstate. Okay, intrastate transactions consist of CGST, SGST. In different state consist of IGST. Okay, registration. Sections deals with registration of GST. 22 is an important section and 24 is important. Okay, 22 and 24 is very important. Okay. 22. Person liable for registration. 23. Person not liable for registration. 24th. Compulsory registration in certain cases. 25, 26, 27 is the procedure for registration. 28, 29, 30. Form number and provisions. Amendment of registration, cancellation of registration, procedure of cancellation. Okay, we'll revise it once. 22. Person liable for registration. 23. Person not liable for registration. 24. Compulsory registration in certain cases. 25, 26, 27. Procedure for registration. 28. Amendment of registration. 29. Cancellation of registration. 30. Revocation of cancellation. Okay, now we are going to see section 22 in detail. Person liable for registration. Person liable for registration. For supplier exclusive in supply of goods, aggregated turnover in financial year greater than 40 lakhs. Okay, yes, registration is required. No, registration is not required. Okay, person liable for registration. Turnover is greater than 40 lakhs. Okay. Exception supply of goods. Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. You can 10 lakhs. Okay. M to N. M to N is a short form. You can remind. Okay. M2 for Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. Okay. Sampat means Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Puducherry, Arunachal Pradesh, Telangana. Okay. Person liable for registration. Here we saw supply of goods. Here we are going to see supply of services. For supplier engaged in supply of services of both goods and services, aggregate turnover is 20 lakhs. Okay. Yes, registration is required. No, registration is not required. Aggregate turnover formula. Okay. Taxable supplies. XXSS. Okay. Exempted supply. Okay. Plus export supplies. Okay. Next, plus interstate supplies. Okay. Minus CGST, SGST, IGST, UTGST. Okay. Tax attracted on certain products equal to aggregate turnover. This is the formula for aggregate turnover. Finding. Okay. I have finished 22 section in detail and now we are moving to 23 section. Person engaged exclusively supplying accepted goods or services. Person exclusively making the reverse charge supplies. Okay, next, agriculturist. Direct change mechanism under GST and reverse charge mechanism under GST. Okay, direct charge mechanism. In this mechanism, recipient pays tax to supplier and supplier pays tax to the authority. Okay, in direct charge mechanism, recipient pays supplier. Recipient pays tax to supplier and supplier pays tax to the authority. Okay, in reverse charge mechanism, recipient pays tax for the supplier. Recipient pays tax for the supplier and deposits. Here, supplier pays tax to the authority. Here, deposits the tax to the authority. Okay, this is the difference. Here, supplier pays tax to the authority. Here, deposits tax to the authority. Okay, 24. Now we are moving on to 24. Compulsory registration in certain cases. Interstate sale. Okay, interstate sale. Next, casual taxable person. Reverse charge, non-resident, DTS on GST, agent, clearing and forwarding, input, service distributor, tax invoice, electronic commerce, operator. Okay, 24 is compulsory registration in certain cases. Interstatements in different state. Okay, now we are moving on to intra-state supply of goods and services excepted from registration. Service provider whose annual turnover is less than 20 lakhs and the exception is 10 lakhs from obtaining registration even if they are making interstate taxable supplies of services. Procedure for registration. Procedure for registration is 25, 26, 27 is the procedure for registration. Procedure for registration. GST registration. Apply in GST. Register 1. Okay. Part A. Okay. They are applying in GST registration. Okay. Next. Acknowledgement in GST. Registration 2. Part B. Okay. Next. Verification by proper officer. It will be verified by proper officer. Then show cause. Show cause notice. Registration. GST registration 3. Next, file reply. If there is any wrong in your thing, they will reply it. Okay, file reply. GST registration 4. Verification by proper officer. Here also it will be verified by proper officer. Okay, yes. Final registration. GST registration 6. Okay, and no means applied rejected. Application rejected. Registration 5. Okay, if the verification by proper officer is accepted, final registration will be provided. GST registration 6. And if verification, if the if the verification by proper officer is rejected, if there is any mistake, it will be rejected. Okay, no means application rejected. GST registration 5. Okay, section 25, 26, 27 procedure for GST registration. Apply in GST registration 1 part A. Next, acknowledgement in registration 2 part B. Okay, next, verification by proper officer. It will be verified by proper officer. Then show cause file. Okay, show cause notice. GST registration 3. Next, file reply. GST registration 4. Verification by proper officer. Then application of rejected. Final registration GST 6. Okay, moving on to section 28. Amendment of registration. GST common portal. Non-core areas, core areas. Non-core areas consist of registration on certificated ended. Core areas consist of permission to be granted within next 15 days. 15 days. There should be a permission given within the 15 days. Okay. If yes and no. Yes. Registration certificate amendment. Incomplete, incorrect. If no means it is incomplete or incorrect. Okay. Registration person replies within 7 days. Okay, if it is wrong, registration person is supposed to reply within 7 days. Okay, if yes, certificate amendment. If no, it is rejected. Okay, 29, section 29, cancellation of GST. Cancellation can be done by registered person himself, by GST officer, the legal hire of the registered person. Cancellation of registration. Form purpose. Okay, GST registration 16. Registered person seeking cancellation of registration. Okay, GST registration 17. Show cause notice by GST officer for cancellation. GST registration 18. Reply to show cause notice by registered person. Okay, here you have doubt. I didn't explain what is show cause notice. Here it is clear what is show cause notice. Okay, GST registration 19. Order to cancel the registration by registration 20. Drop the cancellation proceeding based on explanation in GST registration 18. GST registration 21. Registered person seeking revocation of cancellation. GST registration 2. Revocation of cancellation by GST officer. Registration 23. Show cause notice by proper officer for revocation of cancellation. GST registration 24. Reply to show cause notice by applicant. GST registration 5. To drop the revocation of cancellation proceeding based on explanation in GST registration 24.